ChatGPT's new update is insane. I made this ad using nothing but AI.
Not feeling alcohol anymore? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing, you don't need booze to feel a buzz. There's a better way. Meet BREZ, the perfect alcohol alternative. A social tonic that delivers an undeniable feeling of euphoria, clarity, and relief. Ditch the alcohol. Try BREZ.
No real actors, no real photo shoots or B-roll. Even the voiceover was me converting my voice with AI. So how did I do it? To start, you need to use this really cool hack I learned from someone named EP on X. I'll link to him below. But you want to create a JSON profile of your brand. So add a bunch of images and brand assets and your website into ChatGPT and ask it to create a brand profile JSON for you. This will give you a line of code that explains basically every detail it understands about the brand, which is going to be useful for the next step. Next, we're going to go to my own custom GPT for creating ad scripts. Every good ad starts with a good script. I spent over $500 million on ad spend on Meta, and I wrote my own guide for producing performance ad creative just 2 years ago that I used to train this custom GPT. If you want a link to this custom GPT, just drop a comment below and I'll send it over to you. By using this custom GPT, you're able to produce performance ad creative scripts built from leading frameworks. So you're going to go into the custom GPT, paste in your brand profile JSON, a bunch of additional context, including what you want to be in the video, are there any specific value callouts, and then submit, and it'll put together a full script including different scenes with images, voiceovers, text on screen, everything you need. Once you have that script, you can take the first scene and create an image for that. So then we're going to go back to ChatGPT. We're going to paste in our brand JSON again just to give it the contextual information and help it truly understand what it's going for. Attach a photo of the product you want in the shot and then ask it to generate. It's important to add any additional info you want in here. So for example, instead of saying can on a beach, describe the crashing waves, describe the way the sunlight hits it, describe the condensation on the can. Try and get descriptive to get a really good image. If for whatever reason you don't get the result that you want, start a new chat, add extra detail, and you'll eventually get what you're looking for. Next, we're going to animate it with the result. I personally have been using Kling AI. I find really good results with Kling. Yes, there's other tools. You could use Sora, but personally, I'm finding a lot of success using Kling to convert ChatGPT images into animated 5-second clips. So within Kling, pretty simple, just paste in the prompt you used to generate the image so that it has context on what it's actually looking at, and then add a quick note about how you want the camera to move or the product to move and hit generate. It's pretty straightforward. There's no real hack here. You might have to try a few times with different prompts to get the right result, but eventually you should end up with something that looks really great. You're going to go through this process for every scene that the ad script produces, and then eventually you'll have a stack of 5 to 6 5-second long videos that Kling AI has built using your ChatGPT workflow, and then you can put those into Premiere and chop them together. You could take it a step further by producing a voiceover, which is what I did. I used Hedra. It's not technically built for this, but I find that the tool is really good for producing voiceovers. So you can use it to record yourself and convert it into someone else's voice. And then when you preview that, it gives you the option to download the preview. That's what I did. I just took the MP3 that it gives you for the preview and then put it into Premiere Pro with all the clips I generated. Lastly, the only bit of real human work here, you layer them together with the voiceover, add in some background music, maybe a few transitions, and voila. You have a fully AI generated ad ready to use in your ad account. And yes, I realize this isn't perfect, but this is day one. Imagine what we can be producing in a month from now. If you follow these steps and produce something for yourself, drop it in a comment as well because I want to see it.